Hey guys, this isn't our channel, but my
It's
brother
Lego Lover.
let us use it. Now, let's get on with the video. Now, we're going to tell you how we made this slime, but it isn't really slimy. That just fell off. It isn't really slimy, but oh well, it's still a really nice feel.
It feels like
This person here is going to go and show you how we made it.
So first, we put glue in a bowl. Well, you need a bowl, a spoon to mix with, and corn flour, and a bit of water and glue. So first, you put the glue into the bowl, and then you put a bit of corn flour into the bowl. You mix it up until it's really soft like this. But if it's not soft, then you've got to keep on mixing and keep on putting more corn flour in. You put a bit of water in, tip it out and keep on mixing. And then it'll end up like this lovely soft baby, but off to you.
The other ingredient is glue. Senna, you forgot the glue, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I said it at the start, didn't I, guys?
Oh.
Comment down in the section below if I remembered it.
Sorry, I forgot. I wasn't listening.
So, after her.
We're going to do the Lee and Dab song.
Yeah! 3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
We're going to be the one and a dab, put the pull up on the block.
Cause his hair against the wind, and you know it's
Drop.
in my garden. I had to hit the corner today.
A good day. Slide to the left.
Slide to the right. Walk it to the front. Pop it to the back. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you liked this video. Bye, guys. What happened?
This isn't their account, it's mine, but if you know how to make slime, comment down in the comment section and how you do it.
Different ways how to do it.
See you in the next video.
Bye.